Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a unboxing, PR unboxing of Shebad collection. So I'm just going to show you ladies of all the products and we're going to get into it real quick. Okay y'all, so I am one of the ambassadors for Shebad collection. Okay, this is her luxury wigs, hair extension and lash line. Stay tuned for another video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go live on here or Facebook with her makeup line because that's a whole separate box. So first of all, y'all, when y'all order from Shebad, this is what the box looks like. Okay, very chic, very diva, very pretty. All right, and we're gonna get right on into it right here. So the first thing you're gonna see out of your box, okay, very, very pretty. Okay, you got your flyer. Okay, thank you for your purchase. And a really cute little VIP card. All right, and it has all of Sis's information right here on the back. Now, y'all, I'm super excited, okay? Her line is so bomb. She came out with a makeup line, and this is her revamped. She revamped her company, which is awesome. So, here we go. First thing that comes into this box, y'all, is the Shebad collection edge control. Okay, right here. First of all, when you open it, it's a bomb bright pink. Okay, it smells so good. I don't know about y'all, but I hate an edge control that doesn't work and it stinks on top of that. So we're definitely going to do a demo and we're going to try this out in the next video. Next thing we have is the Shebad collection hair mousse. Okay, we're going to spray just a little bit. We're going to pump just a little bit out. Alright. Alright, come through mousse. Now, y'all, if y'all don't know, for mousse, you can use it on your human hair extensions, honey. You can even use it on some of your synthetic hair because I do that too. Alright, multiple uses. And it smells bomb as well. Okay. I'm going to leave all the information in the description bar, alright, so you ladies can go over there and order you some of these bomb products. Next, we have the wax stick. Now, a wax stick helps lay your edges, whether it is a wig or your natural hair. Sleek ponytail, you want your wig to lay real good, you want your own edges to lay real good. Get you a wax stick, alright? We're going to try that out too, y'all. Your box will also come with, baby, an edge brush. Alright, everything you need, honey, right here. So bomb. And the last product, last but not least, y'all, we have Shebad collection lace glue. Now, y'all know I'm going to do a demo of this because your girl have a couple of wigs laying around here. And we're going to give this glue a good old try, a good old shot. We're going to do a video of that too as well. Alright. Now, of course, you ladies, y'all can order these products separately. But you can also just go ahead. Why not go ahead and grab it all? Grab you a wig while you're there as well, ladies. Her wigs, her hair, period, A1. We're going to give all these products. We're going to do a whole video with these products, a video series, as a matter of fact. So stay tuned for the Shebad collection hair series as well as makeup. But I'm going to leave everything in the description bar, ladies. Y'all, do not sleep. Do not sleep. Okay? On Shebad. We coming for you, alright? Thank you for watching this video. And make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one. Because we will be showcasing that makeup and doing a whole series of looks with the makeup line. Thank you, ladies, so much for watching. Thank you, Danielle, for always rocking with me. Love you, sis. And I will catch y'all in the next one, okay?